Every sheet of paper begins deep inside managed forests.
Only selected timber enters the paper mill supply chain.
The harvesting process is precise, controlled, and continuous.
Each harvested trunk becomes the foundation of paper production. Logs are sized carefully before transport begins.
All right, keep moving, clear that pile.
Heavy machinery keeps the timber flow moving without pause.
Every log is measured before entering industrial processing.
The harvested timber now begins its journey to the mill. Thousands of tons move daily toward modern paper facilities.
Sustainable forestry keeps the production cycle alive.
Environmental control is part of every industrial operation.
Raw timber accumulates before entering the transport network.
Every shipment is tracked for industrial precision.
The journey from forest to factory never stops. Ahead stands the heart of large-scale paper production.
Okay, let's see the manifest for this load.
It's right here, number 42.
Raw material enters a system built for non-stop manufacturing.
Inside the mill, the transformation process begins. Inside the facility, transport systems operate without interruption. Every load is routed with industrial precision. Digital tracking monitors every ton entering production. Safety checks protect the flow of industrial operations. The unloading system runs like synchronized machinery. Gigantic claws transfer raw timber into processing lines. The paper mill conveyor network keeps materials constantly moving. The outer bark is stripped before pulp production begins. Nothing inside the mill goes unused. Clean timber now advances deeper into production. Powerful chippers reduce timber into process-ready material. The mill moves thousands of wood chips every hour. Temporary storage balances the non-stop production cycle. Compressed systems move raw material across the facility instantly.
Water is the lifeblood of paper manufacturing.
Precise chemical preparation shapes the next stage of production.
Every transport route feeds the massive production network.
Now the raw material reaches the core of the paper mill. The paper mill operates like a city built for manufacturing.
Thousands of coordinated movements keep production flowing every hour.
A hidden network powers every stage of paper production. Temperature control stabilizes non-stop industrial operations. Inside the mill, every department operates with strict coordination.
Safety remains constant across every production stage.
Beyond these doors, raw timber becomes industrial pulp. Material flows continuously through the heart of the facility. Towering digesters prepare the wood for transformation.
Digital systems oversee every movement inside the mill.
Controlled pressure drives the industrial process forward.
Chemical balance determines the quality of every paper sheet.
Modern mills recycle enormous volumes of process water. Constant inspection keeps the factory operating at full capacity.
The first pulp mixture now moves deeper into production.
Every operation depends on perfect timing. The refining stage prepares the pulp for final formation. Inside the mill, every machine feeds the next stage seamlessly. The cleaning process begins as raw pulp enters filtration systems. Large contaminants are removed before fine processing begins. Every impurity is separated to protect production quality. Centrifugal force removes hidden particles from the pulp. The fibers are refined further through precision filtration. Continuous washing keeps the production lines clear. Heavy residues are extracted before fiber refining continues. Only the strongest fibers continue through the process. Even microscopic metal particles are removed from the mixture.
Chemical balance stabilizes the pulp for uniform processing.
Uniform consistency ensures reliable paper formation ahead.
Fiber density is monitored constantly throughout production.
Multiple screening stages improve the purity of the pulp. Waste separation protects the quality of the final product. Now the purified pulp advances deeper into processing. The cleaned fibers prepare for mechanical refinement. Every stage is synchronized through constant supervision. The pulp is now ready for transformation into paper fibers. The refining stage strengthens the fibers for paper formation. Mechanical force reshapes every fiber inside the mill. Conditioning stabilizes the pulp before sheet production begins.
Special additives control strength,
color, and texture.
The bleaching process brightens the cellulose fibers. Controlled chemistry transforms dark pulp into bright material. Excess chemicals are removed through intensive washing. Moisture control prepares the fibers for forming. The concentrated pulp advances toward final preparation. Different fiber blends determine the final paper quality. Precision adjustments maintain consistent paper appearance. Prepared stock waits for the high-speed paper machines. Pressure systems deliver pulp into continuous production. The first paper layer begins to take shape. Water separates rapidly as fibers lock together. Heavy pressure strengthens the forming paper web. Heat now removes the final traces of moisture. The raw pulp has finally become continuous industrial paper. Heat and motion complete the drying transformation. Precise moisture control protects paper quality. Heavy rollers create the final surface texture.
Perfect tension keeps the paper moving without interruption.
Excess material is removed for precise dimensions.
Even paper scraps return to the production cycle. Special coatings enhance printability and durability. Controlled heat locks the coating into the paper.
The surface is refined for uniform industrial quality.
Every meter is inspected for imperfections instantly.
Digital systems track quality in real time. Continuous sheets become industrial paper rolls. Precision alignment prevents defects in the final rolls.
Large master rolls are divided for commercial use.
Every reel is cut to exact industrial specifications. Automation moves the finished reels without delay. Final visual checks confirm production standards.
The paper now enters the final stage of industrial refinement.
Automation coordinates every movement across the finishing network. Robotic systems handle massive loads with precision. Every reel is tracked through the factory in real time. Protective wrapping shields the paper during transport. Digital labeling connects every reel to production records. Weight verification confirms shipment accuracy.
Automation prepares finished products for storage.
Every pallet is secured for long-distance movement.
Driverless systems keep materials flowing continuously.
Finished paper enters a fully automated storage system. Vertical storage maximizes industrial warehouse capacity.
Computerized logistics manage every finished reel.
Automated routing separates shipments instantly.
Final automated inspections protect production standards. The automation network links every department seamlessly.
Predictive systems prevent downtime across the mill. Buffer systems maintain non-stop production continuity.
The paper now advances into its final precision stage. Precision systems prepare the paper for final commercial finishing. Industrial cutters divide the paper into exact dimensions. Automated counters maintain production accuracy.
Every sheet is checked for clean industrial finishing.
Compression stabilizes the paper for packaging. Protective packaging prepares the paper for distribution.
Each package receives a fully traceable identity.
Weight verification confirms consistent production standards.
Automation organizes the paper into shipping-ready cartons. Secure sealing protects the finished paper during transport.
Special finishing improves the surface quality of premium rolls. Core alignment ensures stable industrial handling. Heavy-duty wrapping protects high-value paper products.
Extra reinforcement prevents damage during shipment.
Palletizing systems prepare massive quantities of dispatch.
Protective wrapping secures the shipment for storage.
The final inspection confirms industrial readiness. The finished paper now enters final quality verification.
Every finished product faces strict quality verification.
Random samples are selected from every production batch.
Brightness consistency is measured with scientific precision.
Uniform thickness ensures reliable industrial performance.
Strength testing confirms the durability of the paper fibers. Controlled moisture levels protect storage stability. Microscopic analysis reveals flaws invisible to the eye.
The paper must perform perfectly under commercial printing.
Fiber structure determines the quality of every sheet.
Chemical balance is verified before shipment approval.
Automated inspection protects the integrity of every shipment.
Finished reels are tested to withstand industrial handling.
Every package must match the production records precisely.
The data clearly indicates the tensile strength issue originate here. We need to adjust the roller settings immediately.
Agreed. Certified products are cleared for global distribution. Rejected material is redirected back into the process cycle. Final audits confirm readiness for dispatch.
The paper is now fully approved for shipment worldwide.
Transport vehicles align precisely for global shipment.
Automation ensures fast and safe cargo handling.
Every shipment is secured for international travel. Security sealing ensures product integrity during transport.
Global logistics begin with precise digital tracking. The finished paper now leaves the production facility.
Surplus inventory awaits global distribution.
Digital logistics coordinate worldwide delivery. Every shipment is verified before leaving the facility. Products now begin their global journey. Even at night, operations continue without pause. Only essential systems remain active after dispatch.
Every product is officially accounted for.
The facility completes its daily production cycle.
A massive system working silently through the night.
From this mill, paper reaches the entire world.
And this is how modern paper mills transform timber into the world's essential paper.